Let's take a look at my newest listing here in Lake Havasu. This is a condo here at 565 Jones Drive, and what I love about this property is that it's over 1,300 square feet and it's a condo. So usually you'll see condos in this town being anywhere from like 500 to 900 square feet, some even smaller. And so this one has a big square footage, and then we also have a nice patio outside and lake views. So I'm gonna take you around. Starting off strong, when you first walk in, you'll see the nice open floor plan, and you'll love that this window right here overlooks the front patio and the pool. The owners renovated the kitchen and added new windows and new flooring just a few years ago. And I love that they opened up that wall to the kitchen and put the island in so it looks nice and spacious. And right here we have the first bedroom, which is right off the left side of the front entrance. And what's nice about this unit is that you still have 2 other bedrooms, with the primary being on the opposite side of the home. There's nothing worse than having to compromise some of your bedroom space, trying to fit in a desk and a chair or any other office supplies. So this is nice because you still have the large square footage and 2 more bedrooms. This bedroom here, you can see the lake, and you can also go out to the patio from the sliding door. And as we make our way to the primary bedroom, I'll tell you a little bit about the HOAs. So they are $390 a month, but they cover water, sewer, and trash, along with the heated pool. And if I had to pick 2 things that I love about this unit, it would be that it's on the ground floor with no stairs at all, and also that you have a fun little backyard space to yourself, which I will show you in just a second. Having a split layout in a home is always nice because you have a little bit of privacy for when you invite your friends over. Okay, now let's go look at the covered patio and take a look at the little yard space in the back. As you can see, they have a little barbecue grill set up. You can see the lake views from over here, and it is flat. Like I had mentioned, there's no stairs at all, which is always nice. And if we know anything about Lake Havasu, it's that people love to be outside here, so this is really the perfect unit for that. I think you could do a lot with this outdoor space too, like you could even mount up a TV, or you could put some more decorations. Okay, now let's look at the front of the unit. So as you can see here, there's also a front patio, and it overlooks the pool, and you have lake views from here too. Another great thing about this property is that each owner gets their own storage unit, and it's the perfect size for bicycles, suitcases, maybe some fishing poles, basically all those big items that you don't necessarily want inside your home. All right, and that is the tour. So I think the perfect buyer for this place is somebody who wants to be close to downtown and Rotary, but still needs the big square footage and wants to be on the ground floor. And because we have 2 patios and a heated pool, I think it checks boxes for a lot of people. So if you think you might be the perfect buyer for this place, shoot me a message and let's do a private tour.